Station 1.
Ito daw yung pinakamagandang spot na pwedeng pagliguan. Obvious naman. Napakatahimik dito. Konti ang tao. Ayan o. So kung gusto nyo mag-swimming ng tahimik, kayo-kayo lang. Mag-e-trike lang kayo papunta rito sa Dini Beach. At eto ang pwede nyong liguan dito. Ngayon is 9 AM. So ganito kaganda dito pag umaga. Yan o. Okay. Additional tip for you guys. Just like the video kung nakatulong sa inyo. Diniwid Beach. Yan, punta dito guys. Station 1 daw to. Oha. Oha. Ilang ding nagsiswimming. Ami, layo no. Hindi naman tayo dumaan dito dati. Iba ata yan eh. Ito ata yung napuntahan natin eh. Tara, dyan tayo. Pwede tayo manggilid. Yung water. Ay, dun yung parang talunan. Go. Pabalik tayo ah. Di pa nasing babalik agad. Asan? Careful, Raven. Tingin sa daan. Nandiyan si Dave ba? matubig ngayon dito sa area na to, no? Last time we've been here last 2022 January, malumot, kaya nakapagpag kami dito. Ay mami, ito nga yung pinasukan natin dati. Yan o. Grabe, lubog kami ito. Hanap muna tayong spot doon. Okay, we decided to stop here. Ligo na. Walk ulit. Walang spot doon. So, doon kami sa medyo malilim na yun. Bili ka na lang yung mga sombrero dyan, oh. Patak. Nakikita na ng cup ni. Di parang straw hat.
Makulimlim ka mo pag
Okay, hey Ben, let's see.
Dito, bibili na kami ni Daddy. Bye-bye, love you.
Kita kami? Nakikita kami dito pa naglaro.
Oo.
Nakikita kami dito pa naglaro.
Ano, baka bukas, ay baka mamaya pa yun. Hindi. Ano, ay Friday mo pinadala.
Okay, sa part ng video na to, talaga namang nag-enjoy na lang kami dito sa may beach. Kasi napakaganda talaga ng tubig dito, kaya naglaro kami at naligo na. Hindi na namin napigilan kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng spot na to. Tao dun eh. Punta namin. Let's go! Uy, dami fish water.
Where?
Ito. Ayun.
Oh my God!
Holy fish! Holy fish! Ayun, ang dami nila! Dami nila, sana nakikita nyo guys. Let's go there. Malakaya yan. Nakita mo yung parang white part na yan, oh. Yeah, that's where we going, dude.
Dude, I can't swim.
It's not palalim.
I don't know.
There's a black part there. We have to iwas that one. Hindi natin alam kung ano yan. Might be bato. Look at that, guys. Sama namin kayo dito sa venture namin dito. GP Venture. GP Venture in Boracay. Let's go. Almost there in the sand. Almost there in the white sand. It's gonna be mababaw there, don't worry. Yes, you are. That's the whole plan. Come on, faster. Come on, fast. No, look, that's much maliit than you. Do it. Where? Ah, yeah, that's mom. They rent that to me.
Dude, you don't even live here.
Ah, okay. Almost there, you little punk. Almost. I video it. I'm videoing it. Bro, we're almost there. It's gonna be mababaw here. You're not. It's just your imagination. Just imagining it. Just imagining it. Just imagining it. You know, mababaw na dito. Yes, it is. It is. It's mababaw na. See, that's the water. That's my freaking daughter.
I'm 5'4".
That's my freaking daughter.
I'm 5'6". My height is 5'6", and I'm already a bookie, so meaning that I'm
See, I told you. I told you. It's your problem, not mine.
I've been swimming.
That's my black daughter.
Bro. You're against my mom.
Sorry about that. So sorry about that. Our subscribers are eavesdropping.
We're gonna play a frisbee later.
Yeah, but we cannot play frisbee here in the Malalim part.
And my dad is holding his holding his phone, which is not even waterproof. So
How did you know? So we're in the we are in the middle of a very, very white
oh my God.
beach.
Oh, there's a big wave.
Look at that. Another big one.
There's a big one.
Another big
There's a
one.
big one. Oh.
Where's mommy?
I don't know. My mom's gone.
She's there. Let me zoom her.
Yeah, I saw her.
Let me zoom her.
She's beside the BTS thing.
There. Somewhere there.
Yeah, I can see her. She's almost to the point of
Yeah, there's a lot of tao in front of her right now.
I'm disagreeing. Because I don't know what to say.
You just agree.
I disagree.
Look at that, guys.
You will never forget about me, right? Guys.
You jealous.
Bro.
I bring my subscriber in the water.
My frisbee cut is hurting again.
I bring my subscriber in the water.
Yeah, you're gonna lubog, guys.
You gonna swim with me, guys.
If you hit 1 billion followers, I'm gonna jump over a cliff.
No,
to the beach.
I don't like to hit 1 million subscriber or follower. I don't like. Don't follow me, guys. Don't follow me.
I'm gonna jump over.
Just watch, like. That's it. I'm happy with
I'm
that.
gonna jump in a pool if you guys hit my father with 1 million subscribers.
That's gonna be masakit if they hit me. just pindot the button there below.
Pindot the button below so I can jump.
It's becoming
in a pool.
malalim here.
I'm just gonna jump over a pool. Don't worry. I'm not gonna jump over a cliff like you guys.
Okay. Whatever. Let's go there. Are we gonna try the paddle board here or
Yes,
something?
of course. Are you making something of me?
Yeah, let's video the paddle
That
board,
you
man.
want that he's gonna alok you.
Yeah, but I'm gonna, you know, haggle the price.
Ayun na dati sapunta na sa'yo.
No, I'm not gonna ask him because he's gonna raise the price. Let him do it.
Okay. Look, I'm driving up your water. That's my first view.
Paddleboard, sir.
How much?
600, sir, 1 hour.
Okay, thank you.
Ilan tao na gumamit mo? 30 minutes sa 300.
Thank you.
Where's my 1,000?
That's expensive. I told you guys, I know the drill.
That was right.
I know the drill here.
My 1K.
I know the drill here in Boracay. So you guys, if you're watching from out from the Philippines,
Do I can hear anything?
you better check the price right, because you know you make it too high. Kayo lang. Gonna give the video to mommy. No, not guys.
I'm gonna be waiting here. Yeah.
This is Boracay. This is Boracay. This is our mommy. Bye guys.
Ganito mamaya. Hello guys.
Paano yun?
Nasaan? Ito pa? Kakatya ba? 200 yan. 200 daw po na. Para lang mo ma.
Barya lang sa umaga.
Bayan na, 20 ka ba? Ako ma'am. Patala na naman. Baga na?
Akin na shades ko.
Wala pa na 100.
Oh.
May 30 ka mo? Yun, meron si mami. Mga magnet, mabawas yun ng magnet. Magnet, kit.
Don't call this. Tayo.
Pabalik. Lakad lang. Ay, nalagpasan na natin yung ano. Yung grotto.
Ayun, pwede na tayo dito.
Gonna ride e-trike pabalik ng station. Kasi sobrang sakit na ng mga paa namin. Kakalakad. 15 pesos lang naman. Ano na lang sabi mo? D-Mall. Station 2. Yan o. Yung...
Basta kayo ka? Basta.
Station 2.
Oo. Hindi pwede.
Renta lang kayo sir.
Okay.
Renta lang kayo sir.
Tapos na kami mag-lunch. Saan na tayo?
We're at, I don't know.
Station 2. Mami. Saan na tayo? Magsiswimming na kami dyan. Dito na kami. Okay.
We're gonna play with the plate.
With the plato. Our pink plato.
Big play.
Okay. Bye-bye.
See you later.
That's Raven and Mommy. Thumbs up.
Pagod.
Ayun, get up. Hey! So ayun lang guys, sana may nakuha kayong tips dito sa aming video para sa inyong next Boracay venture.